So I'm gonna open these?
Yep, presents from Grandma T.
I wonder what is it?
I'm sure it might have something to do with Canada.
Hey, it's a nice hat.
What's on it?
That's your roots, baby girl. Oh, part of them.
I'm gonna open this one next. It might be a exciting present. It's
Oh my gosh, what is that?
like,
Pajamas. Who's on there?
Justin Bieber,
Ooh.
my favorite, and Justin Bieber pants.
And Justin Bieber pants.
Let's do this one next. It's a new water bottle.
Princess is on it.
My favorite princesses. With this one next.
What is it?
It's
A learning book.
a learning book.
Everything for early learning.
Yeah.
With a beaver on it.
Yeah, beaver. Let's do this one next. Ooh, this is big. Really big. I wonder what is it, too. What is it?
Ooh.
It's a learning board.
It's a puzzle.
It's a puzzle? A puzzle! I got a puzzle. I want to do this one next. Ooh, I wonder what is it. So stuffy. Dad, you don't have to chew. I think on the back. Yep, the back.
Oh,
It's two? Stuff in its God. It's a round wood puzzle
It's a puzzle about Canada.
and about stickers.
Cool.
I want to do this one. Ooh. Wonder what is it? What is it?
It's a purse.
A purse?
The purse that goes around your waist.
Oh.
For when you visit Grandma in Canada, you put that around your waist and you could put things in it that you need. Okay?
Okay. And I got more Justin Bieber stuff like
hold it up. Let's see it.
Ooh, let me
Can
see.
you turn it
Justin
around?
Bieber?
Can you hold it to your chest for a second?
Justin Bieber PJs.
You think you might wear those?
Yeah. And some pants of stars.
Sit down so I can see you in the camera.
Let's do this one next. Ooh, I wonder. It's a towel. A nice towel so when I take a bath I can use it.
You can use it when you take a bath. That's right.
I only have
You
3
sing the
presents
roses on.
left. I wonder what is this? It has to be sexton. I know what it is. It's a learning board.
That's a pencil case.
Oh, a pencil case. And more.
Let me see. And pencil case and sharpeners and everything. Is that Princess?
Yes.
Ooh. She must know that you like princesses.
I know, but I only have 2 presents left. And after I do this one, then that's left.
We still have presents for you. Grandma has presents for you at...
Right there?
No. We're going to give you presents at Grandma's.
What about my friends? They have to give me some presents. Oh, this is really hard to open. Like, who gave this to me?
Yeah.
Ooh, that sounded
What's
like
that?
soft.
Oh my God.
I wonder what it is.
That's so cool. I didn't know that existed.
There's more? It's so weird. It's a Justin Bieber toothbrush.
You believe that?
Yeah.
And you know what? When you brush your teeth, it plays Justin Bieber music too.
Oh, yeah.
Isn't that great? Let me see it. Hold it up so I can see it.
Hold on.
Let's open this is the last. I wonder what it is. Oh, these are a lot of presents. What is this, Mama?
It's a princess apron for when you're cooking in your kitchen.
Oh. And a puzzle of princesses.
Hey, look over here. Sit down. And tell Grandma on the camera, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Grandma.
Tell her, say I love you.
I love you.
Say bye.
Bye-bye.